If you're preparing for UPSC, do not miss this video out. Today is 5th May and I'm going to tell you top 5 news from the Hindu newspaper. So come, let's have a look. The first news is Srinagar resumes its role as Jammu and Kashmir's summer capital after hiatus for 6 years. Now, Srinagar has officially returned as Jammu and Kashmir's summer capital for after 6 years break. Chief Minister Omar Abdullah brought back the 150-year-old Darbar move tradition and shifting over 10,000 employees and 150 government offices from Jammu and Kashmir to Srinagar for better coordination. Now this becomes highly relevant for GS paper 2 governance and policy, and for GS paper 1 history and culture as well. And for prelims perspective, duration of the hiatus is important, 6 years, and scale of the move is important, 10,000 employees and 150 government offices. Moving forward to the second news, that is portion of bridge collapses in Bihar's Bhagalpur probe. Then the portion of Vikram Shila Setu bridge over the Ganga river, please mind this is important, in Bhagalpur, Bihar, collapses early morning on Monday. While no casualties occurred, traffic on the 4.7 kilometer link is halted, prompting a high-level investigation and emergency ferry services for stranded commuters. This becomes highly important in GS paper 2 governance and GS paper 3 infrastructure and disaster management. Going forward, the third news is UAE says Iran has resumed attacks as the United States move to reopen the Hormuz. The US military has moved to reopen the Strait of Hormuz and leading to renewed conflict with the Iranian forces. Now the UAE reports targeted attack on its oil facilities, and while 3 Indian nationals were injured in a drone strike in the Fujairah port. Now this becomes highly relevant for GS paper 2 international relations, for West Asia dynamics and bilateral relations, and GS paper 3 energy security, maritime security. For geography also this becomes important. Strait of Hormuz, Fujairah, UAE, Bandar Abbas, Iran, all these mapping are important. Moving forward to the fourth news, that is OPEC exit part of a long-term plan not directed against anyone, UAE oil chief. Now the UAE has officially exited OPEC, framing the departure as a strategic move to foolproof its economy. This becomes highly important and diversify beyond the fossil fuels. This shocking decision follows months of tensions with Saudi Arabia over production quotas and regional geopolitics difference. This becomes highly important for GS paper 2 international relations and GS paper 3 economy and security. The last news for today is Pakistan to return Iranian crew of USC's ship amid tensions. Now Pakistan has facilitated the return of 22 Iranian crew members from the USC's container ship of the ship named Tuska. Now this is described as a confidence building measure. This handover highlights Pakistan's role as a mediator attempting to reduce maritime tensions between Washington and Tehran. This becomes highly relevant for GS paper 2 international relations and GS paper 3 security. And for prelims perspective, the name of the vessel is important, Tuska, and the Gulf of Oman is important, which is the location mentioned here. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.